Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got an exciting product to review. The 2-pack wireless controller replacement for Xbox One, Xbox Series X, Xbox One X console, Android, iOS, PC Windows. This controller boasts a range of features, and we're here to dive deep and see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the basics. This controller is compatible with Xbox One, Xbox Series X, Xbox One X, Xbox One, Xbox Elite Controller Series, Xbox Core Controller, Steam, Android, iOS, and PC Windows 7 and above. It supports both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, making it versatile for various gaming platforms. Now, let's talk about design. The controller features an ergonomic design that conforms to the palm structure, reducing weight and ensuring comfort during extended gaming sessions. The anti-slip design on both sides ensures a firm grip, even during intense gameplay. One of the key factors in any controller is its performance. This controller offers a more sensitive joystick and enhanced direction keys for precise control. It also has dual vibration motors and a precision 3D joystick for an immersive gaming experience.
And for those who enjoy chatting with their gaming partners, it comes with a 3.5mm audio headset jack.
The controller uses Xbox wireless technology, allowing you to play games stably within a range of 33 feet without causing jams or disconnections. However, do note that it requires an upgrade package for compatibility with all Xbox consoles. So, make sure to contact the seller after placing your order to get the necessary upgrade. One standout feature is the turbo and Marco functions. If you've got a game with repetitive button mashing sequences, the turbo function can be a lifesaver.
And for those who want to customize their gaming experience, the Marco function lets you create custom macros.
Now, let's talk about the price. A 2-pack of these controllers is currently priced at $74.99. While it's not the cheapest option out there, it offers a lot of features that justify the cost. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at some customer feedback. Reviews are mixed, with some users praising the controllers for their performance and others encountering issues with authorization and software updates. It's essential to keep these factors in mind. In conclusion, the 2-pack wireless controller replacement for Xbox One, Xbox Series X, Xbox One X console, Android, iOS, PC Windows offers an array of features, including an ergonomic design, turbo and Marco functions, and compatibility with various platforms. However, potential software update issues and authorization problems may be a concern for some users.
That's it for today's review on Product Critique.
If you're interested in this controller, make sure to do your research and consider reaching out to the seller for the necessary upgrades. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.